Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to earn money designing with Canva? In this video, I will show you how to create and publish a Canva design gig on Fiverr step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. First of all, go to fiverr.com and select the official website. Then click join and create your account using Google, Facebook, or email. Once you are in, click on your profile icon or click the My Business tab, then click Gigs. Complete your profile with a photo, bio, skills, and languages. Now click Create a New Gig option. This is where you will describe and sell your Canva design services. Create a clear gig title like I will design professional Canva Instagram post. Or ebook covers. Then select the right category, click graphic design, then social media design. Then select your service type, like social posts or banner. Then select your platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. Then select the type, advertisements, social media carousels, or bots. Then language, add language like Bengali, English, etc. Then add some keyword, add 3 to 5 search tags that match what buyers look for, like Canva graphic, ebook, design, Instagram template, etc. This helps your gig show up in Fiverr search results. Next step, next set up 1 to 3 pricing package. For example, basic, free Canva design, write a description like 3D model or Canva design. Then pick a delivery time, select number of posts, then select revision, then set price, start with $5. You can add additional revision, feed template, then click save and continue. For standard plan, 5 designs. For premium, 10 designs. Set delivery time again for standard and premium plan, and price per package. Write a detailed gig description. Tell clients what you offer, what tools you use Canva, and what they will get. Keep it clean, friendly, and professional. Example: I will design clean and eye-catching Canva graphic for your social media website or ebook. You can add more, at least 120 words or characters. Add a few FAQs to answer common questions. Click add FAQ. Then in the requirements section, ask client to send text, branding, colors, or reference images before you start. Upload 3 sample designs you created in Canva. This will be your portfolio. Make sure they are high quality and show different styles. You can also upload a gig video intro to boost trust and views. Once everything is filled out, click publish. Congrats, your Canva gig is now live and visible to buyers. Want to land your first order fast? Send offers to buyer requests. Share your gig link on social media. Create 2 to 3 related gigs to increase visibility. From requirements, and click save and add a new questions and select multiple choice or free text and add. Then save and continue. And then upload your picture, video, or documents. Then click save with clicking by the box. That's how you create a Canva gig on Fiverr from start to finish. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a tutorial on delivering Canva files or using Canva Pro. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.